Friends, in this video I will show you how to create partition in Windows 10 operating system hard drive. Let us start. First, we will go here and we will click right click on this PC. Here we will click manage. Suppose if you have not created shortcut of this PC on desktop, then you will have to go to File Explorer. File Explorer, and here you can see this PC is showing. We'll just right click and click manage. Now you can see that computer management is open, and we will go here, disk management. Here we can see that we have partition of one is showing system result partition, which is a very small size, and this is for system management, and other is our C drive. We have to partition it without formatting. So for this we will just click here, right click here, and here we will select shrink volume. It will take some time for querying the volumes data and space. Here you can see that it is showing the total size of this partitions C drive, and the size or label to shrink space in MB, and this is the space we can shrink. More than this we cannot shrink. So maximum you can shrink up to in this data. So in this column it is asking to provide the amount which we want to shrink. So suppose at present I want to shrink only 5 GB, or I want to make another partition of 5 GB. So this is in MB. So we will type 5000 MB. If you will type here 5000, it will create a partition of approximately 5 GB, because we all know that 1 GB is equivalent to 1024 MB, not 1000 Mbps MB. So here you can see it will take some time, so please wait. Now you can see that now it has freed a space of 4.88 GB. As I earlier mentioned you that 1 GB equal to 1024, not 1000. That is why it is showing 4.88 GB. If we want to create exactly 5 GB, then we have to multiply 1024 multiply by number of GB. In this case 5 GB. So the actual partition we have to spare 5120. You can see it also here from. Now let us again extend this. So now it is again. So now we will create exact 5 GB. So for again we will go to shrink. So for 5 GB we have to enter the MB is 1024 multiplied by 5. That means 5120 MB. So now we will shrink. Now you see that exactly 5 GB is unallocated space is spared from C drive. Now we will create as a new partition, new simple volume. Here we can click new simple volume, then we will click next. Here we will use complete 512 MB, so we will click again next. In this we can assign drive name, drive letter. So by default it is D. We can select any of this FGH as per our wish. Presently I will use default D drive. Again We'll click next. In here we can select the file system partition by FAT32 or NTFS. By default it is NTFS and we left it. So here in volume level we can name the partitions as per our requirement, as per our wish. So we can rename it as a music, video or personal. Say I am renaming is at purse, and again we will click next and finish. So we can see that out of C drive we have spared 5 GB, and we created another drive uh, in name of purse with 5 GB, and we can see that whether you are able to access it or not. So here you can see that already 5 GB partition is created. So this way we can create partition in C drive also in Windows 10 without formatting. Again we can reverse it this process also. Suppose you want to delete this partition and merge it to C drive. So for this we will go to this, select this partition and click delete volume. And please remember, before deleting this partition, if you have any data in this partition, first backup it, otherwise all data will be erased. So if you have any data, please remember to backup it before deleting this volume. So as you have just created and no data is there, so we'll delete this volume. It is asking and giving you the warning that all data will be erased. We'll click yes. Now it space has been spared. Now again we'll click on C drive and we will use this time extend volume. So we'll click next. Here and the level space maximum we can extend is this much. If we can reduce also here, in place of 5120 we can say uh, take 3000 MB only, but we will complete, we want to complete 5120 MB to merge it. So we'll click next. Again we'll finish. So this is the all. You can see that here new partition is again merged. So in this video you have seen how to shrink partition, then create partition, then again we see the how to delete partition, and again we merge it. Similar way we can rename any drive letter number also. Suppose in this it is a drive letter is Z, we can use change drive letter path and name here, and we can change it like that. Say we can want to rename it as F. By this we can, now it has been renamed to A. So by this way we can rename the partition, except OS. If in this case in C drive our operating system is installed, so other than that partition is available, we can rename and assign a new drive letter. So this is the complete process of how to create partition in Windows 10 operating systems hard drive, and the same method can be used to partition Windows 7 PC also. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe it, and don't forget to click bell icon so that you can get notification of any new video uploaded on this channel. Thanks.